Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor, creator of the game Astrophotography. Let's see Messier 31 in Photoshop. Look, there's a satellite track or meteor. Probably passed through the frame. This data is all from Image the Universe, ITU. Let's open with Photoshop. This is the basic one. Let's close this. Heart Nebula, not today. Let's see. File. You have new. You click new and we'll create some new file. This is very important. Pay attention. If you are going to use RGB or Hubble palette, we are going to use this. This is very important. If the data is 1152 by 1152, you put here create resolution 400. Color mode RGB white. This is important. RGB white. We go OK and we'll create the file, and you can put here the RGB that the real process. We are going to see this later. So let's do open some image. Let's see. Let's go open this hydrogen alpha of the Heart Nebula. Opened. This data is amazing. I love this image. It's from ITU, Image the Universe. Let's see. Let's close this and browsing on bridge and browsing mini bridge. We are going not to use. Open as not use. Open recent. Open recent is amazing. If you open several files, then you open by going to open recent hydrogen alpha and opens. Amazing. Let's see. Close the file. Close here. Close all. Close everything. Close everything. Let's open again. Photoshop. Let's do close and go to bridge. We are not going to use this. Save is about here. I make some changes, so we are going to save, or you're going to save as. You're going to use always TIFF without compression as a copy. Cancel. Let's come back. Ctrl Z. In this image, we see three galaxies: Messier 110, Messier 31, and Messier 32. 32 here, 31 here, 110 here. Amazing. Save for web is to use for web. You are not going to use save for web. Revert, we are not going to use. Place, import. This is good. Videos frames to layers. If you film this, you make a AVI file, a video or a MP4. You put here, it will create images. It will separate image. But in astrophotography of deep sky objects, I don't recommend to film things. I recommend to use FITS file. Export is to export your file. Automate will create something here. Merge to HDR Pro, Proto Merge. We are going to see this. Script. We script is very powerful. It's amazing. We are going to see this later in details. File info give you some information about the file. Print is to print your image. Print on copy we are not going to use. Exit, you will close the Photoshop. This is, guys, this was the first file, the first video of this course about the file, all the about file. Now we are going to the next video, go to edit, and we are going to do for almost every the present here. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor, creator of the Astrophotography card game. This game, it will be amazing. Prepare, this game, it will be amazing. Thank you guys. This is Mundo Astronômico. If you liked this video and want to know more about Imagine the Universe, go to the site on the description of the video to know a little bit more about Image the Universe.